Hello, everyone. Welcome to another day of Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall. And as you can see, our good friend Bruce Moose is here. Say hi, Bruce. Hello, friends. Bruce, I always love it when you stop by. I just love to be here too. I'm so glad. Is everyone ready to get started? Ready! Good. Let's start with our learning target. Here it is. I can identify specific sounds in words. Today, we're going to be working all on compound words. Let's get started. We're going to start by saying a compound word and put our hands out like this. Then, we're going to take away a part of the word and move our hand as we say each word part, like this. Playground. Say playground. Now say the two words that make playground and move your hand for each word part, like this. Play, ground. Are you ready to get started? Ready! Awesome. Here's our first word. Footprints. Say footprints. Now say the two words in footprints. Footprints. Great job. Let's try another. Say snowman. Now say the two words in snowman. Snowman. Good job. Let's do another. Pickup. Say pickup. Now say the two words in pickup. Pick up. Good. Let's do one more. Say moonlight. Now say the two words in moonlight. Moonlight. Great job saying the two word parts in a compound word. Our next activity is going to be changing a word part to make a new compound word. We're going to start with our hands like this. I'm going to say a word like backyard. Say backyard. We are going to change yard to pack. When I go like this, we're going to say what the new word is. Ready? Let's try again. Say backyard. Change yard to pack. What's our new word? Backpack. Great job. Let's try some more. Say cowboy. Now change boy to girl. What's our new word? Cowgirl. Now say snowfall. Change fall to ball. What's our new word? Snowball. Great. Let's do one more. Say rainbow. Now change bow to coat. What's our new word? Raincoat. Great job, friends. You guys are doing a fantastic job with compound words. Aren't they? I'm so proud of everybody. Now we have another activity with compound words. I am going to say a word. We are going to take away a part and say what's left. Are you ready? Ready? Good. Let's do an example. Say aircraft. Now say aircraft without craft. What's left? Air. Great job. Bruce, can you help us out with this one? I sure can. Great. Let's get started. Say headache. Now say headache without ache. What's left? Head. Good. Head. Say downstairs. Take away stairs. What's left? Down. Say raindrop. Take away drop. What's left? Rain. Great job. We have one more activity with compound words today, friends. I'm going to say the first part of a word. I'm going to tell you to add another word. When I go like this, you are going to say what the word is. Are you ready? Say tooth. Add brush. What's our word? Toothbrush. Say note. Add book. What's our new word? Notebook. Say sun. Add flower. New word. Sunflower. Let's do one more. Ready? Say air. Add port. New word. Airport. Great job, friends. And Bruce, thanks for coming by and hanging out with us today. It's great to see your face, and it's great to see all of you students as well. Have a super day. Goodbye, everyone.